Did
Who brought you the Easter eggs?
Donnie.
The Easter Bunny?
Did Donnie, Daddy.
What does he do when he brings the Easter eggs?
Daddy!
Huh?
Did Donnie.
Okay,
The
well,
Easter Bunny did?
Yeah.
keep looking. I think I see some more.
Daddy!
What?
Daddy! Daddy!
What?
Daddy! Daddy!
What?
Did
There's more Easter eggs?
Run, go get them. Hurry up. What color is that one?
Ew.
What color is that one? Green?
Yeah, that one.
Wow.
Hi.
Show me. How many you got in your basket?
Oh my goodness, you better go.
How many you got in your basket?
What's in it?
No.
Money? Wow.
There's money in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Feed 'em.
let me see.
Feed 'em.
You got money? Oh, man.
Wait, you don't have to talk the whole thing, do you? Let me see.
Pop it. Pop it.
You dropped it?
Yeah, did it.
You got another one? Show Mama. Show Mama. Go give her the money.
You. Stop it.
You dropped it?
Money? But oh yeah, it's good. Here, let's keep looking. There's lots more stuff in there. The Easter Bunny was good to you. Yeah, new cup like Jacob. Okay, let's see what else you got. Here, let's take the gloves off. You want to take the gloves off so you can open it up?
Yeah.
What's that noise?
What's the noise?
Open it up.
Look at Daddy, Carson. Who brought you this stuff?
Donnie. This.
Keep opening.
What is it?
This.
Cool.
What is that?
This.
Oh, you can paint?
Yeah. This.
It's a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
What is it?
That's it.
Are you filming it? Chocolate? Take a big bite out of it.
Take a big bite.
No, take.
No, thank you.
Oh, eat that one. You gotta eat it.
No, egg.
Is there something in there?
Yeah.
You better bite it.
No, do it. Don't tell me, Mama. When's it up?
I don't know.
Is there something in there?
This.
What is it?
Uh-oh.
Oh! There's candy in there?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Who got you this stuff? Who got it for you? Oh, who brought you this? Easter Bunny? Whoa!
Another car? So how many cars did you get?
Count them.
1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
What's making that noise? The birds?
Wait.
What is that thing?
Oh! Push it down. Oh!
What's he doing? Carson?
Here, put it on the ground. Push. Oh!
What's he doing?
I'll do it.
Easter Bunny.
What's in here?
Carson, what do you say? Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Carson, who do we have to thank?
See that?
I saw it. Who do we thank?
See that, Daddy? You did up.
We get up?
You
Okay.
did them.
Hey.
Hi.
You don't have to hit it hard. When the light comes on, you gotta hit that one when the light comes on. Now. 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 They won.